If you want to record video secretly on your iPhone, you can do it and no one will be able to find out that you are recording a video. This tutorial review will show you how you can secretly record videos on your iPhone with screen off. So the first thing you have to do is go to your settings and tap on accessibility. Tap on guided access. Enable guided access. Tap on back. Tap on accessibility shortcut. And here tap on voiceover. Once done, go to your camera. Select video. Start to record a video. Once your recording started, press on the side button 3 times. Tap on voiceover. And now to record the video secretly, all you have to need just press on the display 3 times using your 3 fingers. And that's how you will be able to record a video secretly. And to turn on your display, again tap on your display 3 times using your 3 fingers.
Stop recording video. Screen
and
off.
To disable this option, press the side button 3 times. Tap on voiceover for 1 time.
Selected.
Then again double tap on voiceover. And now you can stop the video. And this is how we can secretly record videos on iPhone with screen off. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.